In my oracle deck today, I pulled out one card, and it's an image really of this scientist lady. And it looks like she's studying something. She's got one of those, those machines that have a lot of it's a science equipment. It's got a lot of what looks like binoculars, and they can see like tiny cells. There it is. They study cells through those binoculars. I think you get my point. And she's looking through these binoculars, the big one, and there are like 4 smaller ones underneath, because it's giving her a bigger vision, a clearer vision, a close-up vision of what she's studying. So I'm getting the feeling of somebody being studied closely. Because it's like you're creating waves in spirit. You're creating waves energetically, and it's like you triggered a system. So they have to study this. They're trying to hone in on this energy, on this force. Who's causing these waves? She's very focused on what she's looking at as a subject. It's like it's fascinating. But all these binoculars and efforts to enhance this energy makes me feel like they can't quite catch it. It's like something new, something she's fascinated with, something fascinating, but interesting as well. Like, what is this? So you're causing waves. And there's other energies trying to study and tap in. Whether it's for good reasons or not, that doesn't matter, because light pulls in everything. It pulls in the light and it pulls in the dark. That will be up to you to discern. Nokusihlambulula nje tawuletha lo moya. The more ukhula, the more umoya wakho uhlambuluka, the more opportunities are open to you. Not necessarily good. Remember, it's just gonna pull in opportunities. It's just gonna pull in energies. And of course, opposing forces, because you're putting out an energy. And so there's gonna be an equal force pulling back on your energy.